This was my first session with Butter. He's a Weanling Buckskin stud colt by Rolling Rodeo Drift, a high drift in Hancock, Lonsum Drift 045 stud, and out of Lonsum Magnolia, Lonsum Drift 045 mare. This was his first time being roped in preparation for his first haltering.
He says, "Holy moly, there's something touching me."
I like to rope all the horses that come through my program.
Kind of just let him wear that a little bit.
I'm just trying to keep him moving around the round pen, and I'm putting pressure on him when he tries to settle down next to the horse that's tied to the round pen or the gate. He's pretty bad about wanting to buddy up to that other horse in the gate. I just continue to put pressure on him when he's on that part of the circle.
Kind of trying to make it uncomfortable for him to buddy up next to that other horse. By creating pressure over there. There you go.
Finally, he's deciding to settle on the other side of the round pen, so I go ahead and let him just drift around without putting any pressure on him.
There you go. Very good.
He wants to be a little kicky about the rope on his hind legs, but he's figuring out that settling down makes it go away. I step in here and ask him to change directions, and he's perfect about it. The program on this side is exactly the same.
Very good.
I picked up the rope right there and he stepped to front, which is exactly the response I was looking for. This is a little bit later in the session, once he's found that when he tries to flee, he runs into pressure. Again, there's a lot of approach and retreat with this sort of stuff. Butter wanted to be really dramatic about any pressure on the rope and later any pressure on the halter. But he eventually got it figured out and turned out to be pretty smart. This is just a little sample of what was done in this first session. Thanks for watching.